Hi everyone, welcome to Akira's AI innovative autonomous fraud analysis system featuring autonomous agents, teammates, and agentic AI. So, this cutting edge advanced multi agent system is at the forefront of revolutionizing the traditional fraud detection landscape. It automates every single step from the initial data collection phase to critical risk assessment stage. So, this seamless integration significantly boosts the overall accuracy and remarkably reduces the time required for comprehensive fraud analysis. Let's delve into everyday challenge organizations typically face regarding fraud detection. So, fraud analysis, as we understand it, presents several complex challenges to organizations. So, one of the most glaring issue is the aspect of time-consuming manual reviews, which not only prove to be exceptionally inefficient but are also highly susceptible to human errors, making them a less than ideal method for fraud detection. Additionally, organizations contend with the daunting task of managing a high volume of data. So, this data originates from diverse documentation and transaction, often making the process seem overwhelming and virtually unmanageable. Another significant hurdle is the inconsistent detection accuracy, which manifest across various formats such as images and PDFs, often leading to unreliable and questionable results. Further, the task of conducting complex KYC, KYB, and adverse media checks are crucial for verifying identities. However, they are also recognized as highly resource intensive and challenging to perform efficiently. Moreover, the integration of fraud detection solution into the existing workflows remains an elaborate challenge, primarily because of the complexity inherent to the system. So let's look at how our innovative solution effectively address these challenges. So our solution offers unparalleled data integration from a wide range of sources, which includes ERP system, internal storage mechanism, and manual uploads. So the process starts with OCR-enabled intelligent document processing, which is designed to extract critical information effortlessly. So the agentic process automation backed up by an adapt multi-agent system, which is orchestrated by the master agent. So the role of master agent is to manage the workflow impeccably. So the first line of defense, the forgery agent, commence their task by analyzing documents. So they leverage LLMs, ML models, and pattern recognition techniques to verify the authenticity of the documents. So following this, the verification agent is responsible for conducting thorough KYC and KYB check through efficient APIs. So next in line, the domain expert agents step in to carry out a comprehensive risk assessment. The reporting agent take charge from here, diligently compiling the findings, ensuring compliance, and relaying the final report to the master agent. The master agent, after confirming the completeness and accuracy, ensures that the final output, which includes a detailed risk assessment and recommendation for the next step, which is delivered efficiently by our multi-agent system. So by automating all these critical steps, our state-of-the-art AI fraud analysis solution empower your team to invest less time in in-depth investigation and more in converting trustworthy customers, significantly enhancing efficiency, accuracy, and compliance in fraud detection processes. So Kira's AI multi-agent fraud analysis system with autonomous agent, teammates, and agentic AI has significant advantages. It remarkably reduces the time required for each fraud review by a whopping 80%, enabling much faster decision making, boosting a precision rate of 90% in fraud detection. It also ensures unparalleled high accuracy, minimizing the likelihood of false positive and negative. Furthermore, 70% of images and PDF reviews are automated, considerably reducing manual effort. So this level of automation dramatically accelerates the approval process, optimizing productivity without necessitating an increase in team size, thereby cutting review times from minutes to milliseconds. So the solution's ability to integrate seamlessly with existing workflows empower organizations to implement it swiftly. So enabling them to reap the benefits of top-tier AI performance tailored to meet their unique needs. So it surpassed traditional methods by detecting fraud through comprehensive risk insights and significantly speed up the approval processes while maintaining the existing staffing level. So before any further add-on, let's proceed to the demo to witness our solutions firsthand.
Welcome to our multi-agent powered fraud analysis platform. Let's begin the fraud detection process. To get started, navigate to the fraud detection section and click Start Detection. This initiates our advanced fraud analysis workflow, where the master agent coordinates with specialized expert agents to begin the detection process. The system automatically fetches the uploaded records. The master agent assigns tasks to the forgery detection and verification agents to analyze the data for any discrepancies or anomalies. During the detection process, our agents identified a discrepancy, a mismatch between dates in the provided documents. This is immediately flagged for review. Next, the system enters the analysis phase. With the support of the domain expert and risk analyst agents, the platform examines the date mismatch in detail, using advanced algorithms to determine its cause and potential impact. After the analysis, the reporting agent compiles a detailed report, summarizing the findings and the nature of the identified discrepancy. You can download the report, review the report to understand the discrepancy, and decide on the next steps. This concludes our demo. Ready to transform your business? Visit our website to explore how Akira AI's multi-agent systems and agentic AI can unlock new possibilities for your enterprise.